Hello there, project managers of the CTT chapter of PMI. I am Jay from the Making Box.
Hello to all of the project managers. I am Haley from the Making Box. And at the Making Box, we help teams foster their adaptability with minimal fuss and maximal joy. We've had the pleasure of working with a variety of different organizations over the last 9 years, everyone from Google to Shopify to the Nature Conservatory of Canada, to even a forensics team once. And we're delighted to be working with you.
Yes, on April 29th, we are going to be offering a session through PMI called Agents of Adaptability. Adaptability is the number one in-demand skill based on LinkedIn's learning report. It's the number one proficiency linked to employability based on some research from McKinsey & Co. But the deeper question isn't whether we can adapt or not adapt, but how do we make a practice of adapting in a way that's actually energizing rather than depleting? If this question interests you, then please do join us on April 29th. We look forward to the possibility of seeing you there. Bye for now.
So long.